Ever found yourself in that awkward digital dance, wondering if it's safe to just hand over your crypto wallet address like you would your email? Like, here, have at it, send me those sweet, sweet digital coins. You know, that moment when you're deep in a Telegram group, someone's offering to send you some crypto, or maybe you're selling something online and they ask for your wallet address. Yeah, that feeling. The one where you're not quite sure if you're about to open the digital equivalent of a Pandora's box or if you're just being overly paranoid. We've all been there. Crypto, for all its revolutionary potential, still feels a bit like the Wild West sometimes. We're navigating a new frontier, and the rules aren't always crystal clear. One of the most basic, yet surprisingly complex questions is, can I share my Newton crypto wallet address? Let's break this down. Because the answer, as with most things crypto, isn't a simple yes or no. It's more of a yes, but situation. And that but is where things get interesting and, frankly, a little crucial for keeping your digital assets safe. First, let's get the basics out of the way. Your crypto wallet address, in its simplest form, is a string of characters that acts like your bank account number for the blockchain. It's how people send you crypto. Think of it as your public key. You need to give it out if you want to receive anything. Without it, well, you're not getting any crypto love. Now, Newton, like many other reputable exchanges, provides you with these addresses for each cryptocurrency they support. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. You'll have a unique address for each. So, technically, yes, you can share these addresses. It's literally what they're for. But here's where the buck comes crashing in like a digital wrecking ball. Sharing your wallet address doesn't directly give someone access to your funds. They can't just magically steal your Bitcoin because they know your address. It's not like they have your private keys, which are the real gatekeepers to your crypto kingdom. However, sharing your wallet address does reveal certain information. It's a bit like showing someone your bank account number and the transactions that have gone in and out. They can see what you've received, when you received it, and how much you received. This transparency is a fundamental part of the blockchain, but it also means a certain level of privacy is lost. Let's paint a scenario. Imagine you're a YouTuber and you've decided to accept Bitcoin donations. You post your wallet address in your video description. Now, anyone can see how much Bitcoin you've received. They can also see the history of those transactions. They can potentially link that address to other addresses you might have used and piece together a picture of your crypto holdings. This level of transparency might be perfectly fine for some. But for others, it's a privacy concern. Especially if you're dealing with large amounts of crypto, or if you prefer to keep your financial activities private. Another concern is phishing and social engineering. While someone can't directly steal your crypto with just your address, they can use it as a tool in other scams. For example, they might send you a small amount of crypto to your address, then use that transaction as proof that they're a legitimate business or person. They might then try to trick you into revealing your private keys or sending them more crypto. Think of it like this: someone sees your address and knows you're active in the crypto space. They might then target you with a fake exchange website or a phishing email, hoping to exploit your knowledge of crypto and your trust in the address you've shared. Furthermore, if you're using a centralized exchange like Newton, your wallet address is technically linked to your account with them. If someone can link your address to your identity, they might be able to target you with more sophisticated social engineering attacks. They might try to impersonate you to gain access to your account or try to convince you to send them crypto. So, how do you navigate this tricky terrain? Here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, understand the context. Who are you sharing your address with? If it's a trusted friend or a reputable business, the risk is lower. But if it's a random person online or someone you don't know well, be cautious. Second, consider using a different address for each transaction. This is known as address hygiene. Many wallets, including those on exchanges like Newton, allow you to generate new addresses with ease. By using a different address for each transaction, you make it harder for someone to link your transactions and track your crypto activity. Third, be aware of the information you're revealing. Don't share your wallet address in public forums or on social media unless you're comfortable with everyone seeing your transaction history. Fourth, use a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Hardware wallets provide an extra layer of security by keeping your private keys offline, away from the reach of hackers. They also allow you to generate new addresses for each transaction. Fifth, never, ever share your private keys or seed phrase. This is the golden rule of crypto security. Your private keys are the only thing that gives you control over your funds. Sharing them is like handing someone the keys to your house, car, and bank account all at once. Sixth, be wary of anyone who asks for your wallet address along with other personal information. This is a red flag for phishing and social engineering attacks. Seventh, use reputable exchanges like Newton, which implement strong security measures to protect your funds and personal information. They also offer features like two-factor authentication and address whitelisting, which can add an extra layer of security. Eighth, educate yourself. Stay up to date on the latest crypto scams and security best practices. The crypto space is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed. Ninth, remember that the blockchain is transparent. Once a transaction is recorded, it's there forever. So, think carefully before you share your wallet address. 10th, consider using privacy coins like Monero or Zcash for transactions where you need extra privacy. These coins use advanced cryptography to obscure transaction details, making it harder to track your crypto activity. In essence, sharing your Newton crypto wallet address is a necessary part of using cryptocurrency. It's how you receive funds. But it's also a decision that should be made with care and consideration. Understand the risks, take precautions, and prioritize your privacy and security. It's about finding that balance between the convenience of sharing your address and the security of keeping your transactions private. It's about being aware of the information you're revealing and taking steps to protect yourself. It's also about understanding that crypto, while offering incredible opportunities, comes with its own set of challenges. And navigating those challenges requires a healthy dose of caution and a commitment to staying informed. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to share your Newton crypto wallet address is yours. But by understanding the risks and taking the necessary precautions, you can make informed choices and protect your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.